Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alan's Builds. Today we're going to have a little unboxing. So as I said, this is an unboxing video and this is one of the Father's Day gifts that the kids got me. So let me show you what we got. And yeah, we got the Star Trek Enterprise D, and this has also got an illustrated handbook in there. So we're going to unbox this today. So let's take a look at the packaging. Really nice packaging. This is from Hero Collector, and then you can get this from Hero Collector if you want. This is the USS Enterprise NCC 1701D, and we also get an illustrated handbook and a model in there as well. So on the back shows you a bit more about what you get in there. So let's open it up and have a look. So straight out of the packaging we get this big heavy book, and it is very nice. What else do we get in here? We get our Enterprise D model. Very cool. So we can take the box, we can get rid of that. And yeah, let's have a look at the model first, shall we? And slide that out. It's in like a blister card packaging, so it's very nicely protected. And when we pull out the actual ship itself, there we go, look at that. Ain't that cool? All the little windows, some are lit up, some are not. It's got really nice detail on there. Wow, I'm really impressed. This is the first one of the eaglemoss starships that I've seen. I think Kevin from the Nexus, he does quite a lot of these ships, but this is my first one. And we also get a little stand, so we can open this up. And the base does have a bit of weight to it as well. When we turn it over, we've got a little plaque under there that says USS Enterprise NCC 1701D. And we also get this little bit here. This is to hold the ship. So we can plug this in. I don't think it matters which way you plug it in. And so once you put that stand piece onto there, just clips straight in. There's a little hole and a peg. So you just put that in, push it all the way down, and you can take your ship and you slide that over the top, and that's going to meet up with the ship, and then you slide it into place. So let's do that now, just like that. Very cool. I do like that you can detach it and you can slide that in. Make sure it goes underneath the bottom bit and it will just slide in just like that. So I'm going to put this just to the side here for a moment, and we're going to have a look at the book. So I'm going to open up the book. It has got a wrapper on it. So we've now got the book out of the packaging. I've got a starship. I'm just going to move him to the side. I don't know if you can get this on its own. You need to go over to the Nexus and ask him, because he does do this collection. This is just a one-off for me. But yeah, I'm starting to get into starships and everything, because if you didn't know, I'm building one of the Enterprises on the channel. But yeah, this is like a detailed look into all of this ship. So let's start flicking through. Lots and lots of pages. 201 pages in here. The index is at the back. These are all the ships, the illustrate different ones, different versions of the Enterprise that you can get, and it's packed with loads about the Enterprise D. So look at all this detail, everything that you'd ever want to know. So if I was ever going to make the Enterprise D, which I might actually do, this would be a great reference to help me do that. So look at all this. It's got all the internal details. Look at all this. Half of this was probably never in the TV show. Half of the actual bits here that you can see probably never ever appeared in the TV show. But yeah, they had to design the ship anyway. There's the actual bridge, captain's chairs, and computer consoles. The captain's console. Navigation console. Look at all this detail. So if I was going to do the Enterprise D, this would be great reference if I was going to do the bridge, because if I was going to do something like the Enterprise D, I would have it would be that big that I could have the windows and look into the bridge, and we could have this inside it. That would be amazing. So we've got all of these parts. Look at all this. This goes on for quite a while. There's absolutely loads. Let's have a quick flick through, and you can see there's so much in here. I can't physically show you everything because it would take forever. But yeah, just a little flick through, you can see all sort of stuff you're going to get in here. The detail that they've put into this. Ben Robertson, I believe, is a massive Star Trek fan. He works for Eaglemoss, and yeah, he's a massive Star Trek fan. He had put in a lot of work for this. It's basically got everything from that the medics use for the Star Trek The Next Generation. It's got everything in here. I'm quite surprised how much is in here. I just thought it was going to be like, oh yeah, this is the ship, show you little bits, but it's pretty much everything that ever was on that starship as well was on here. We've got the hand phasers that they used. So if I was ever to make a hand phaser, I could use this for reference. And characters at the back. So they've got the captain, which is Jean-Luc Picard, the commander, lieutenant commander, lieutenant, and so on and so on. So these are the uniforms that they'd wear. So this is the Commander Division jumpsuit there. This is another Commander Division jumpsuit here. Commander Division variant jumpsuit. So that's a different version of the same jumpsuit. And this is like an evening dress. And we've got even more here. So if you want to know your Star Trek suits, they're all in here for the next generation anyway. There's a uniform dress suit and captain's variant uniform. There are so many in here. A lot of work went into here. These are the other books available. So we've got the, what one's this? This is the one all about the starships. Another one about starships. This is Enterprise and Beyond. Voyager and Beyond. So again, let's look at the detail on the ship. So let's take the ship back off the stand, if we can. Yeah, there we go. So here's the ship. We've got impulse engines, warp engines, very detailed. Even got the little decals on there. Got this is the underside of the ship, NCC 1701D. All the windows on there as well, and escape pods, everything's on there. Very good detail. We've got the bridge at the top here, and the observation deck down the bottom. The deflector dish down here. Wow, a lot of detail in there. So that's it, guys. That is this unboxing all done. And yeah, very impressed with the Enterprise D here. It's got a lot of detail in this model, and I might actually get a few more and pick up a few more. And yeah, I really like the book. There's got so much in this book that a lot of work went in this research from Ben Robertson. He must have done some research to make this book. So well done, Ben Robertson. And yeah, that's it, guys. I might even get a few more. Might get the whole, all of the Enterprises. So the Enterprise, the original series, the Enterprise A, the refit, and go all the way through to the Enterprise E, I think it goes up to. So I might get them all, have them all on the shelf, and yeah, you have to see each step and stage throughout the years of the Enterprise. That'd be really cool. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, and also if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Till next time, guys, take care. Bye bye.